Discover how to assemble in a more advantageous way your aluminum die-casted parts for immobility thanks to friction stir welding. This technology is accessible directly into your CNC machine thanks to the Stirweld FSW head. The heat sink we are going to weld is composed of two aluminum castings, the cover and the housing. Let's start the friction stir welding process. But why assemble your aluminum casted part by FSW? The two operations of sealing and screwing are replaced by a single one. This allows to divide the production cost in two and the cycle time in 5. The friction stir welding head can easily switch from lap to butt welding configuration in a single FSW operation. The FSW process is carried out in a fully automated way, so you can now perform the casting, machining and FSW processes in your own facilities. After a quick milling post-welding, the final piece is ready. In addition, the mechanical properties are superior. The use of high-strength aluminum alloys ensures higher resistance. FSW casted parts are lighter, perfectly leak-proof and have an excellent thermal conductivity. You can also assemble your parts directly from your existing CNC machine by adding the Stirweld FSW. Interested? Contact us!